Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Ordinal. In today's video, I would like to show you this recent breakout that has happened on this daily time frame chart from this very big symmetrical triangle. And after the breakout, the price line has imminently broken out a quite significant resistance of $65 as well. That was previously working as a resistance here for several days. And after the breakout, it was flipped into a very strong support. And for several days, it has been breaking as a support here, and after the breakdown, you can see it was again flipped into a very strong resistance. We got rejection here, we got rejection here, and now finally the price line has broken out this resistance. And if we switch to the smaller time frame chart, then here on a 4-hour time frame chart, it has formed this up channel. And right now you can see it is moving between the resistance and support of this channel. The next upcoming major resistance will be here at $80, and I'm expecting that it can make another attempt to break out these two resistance levels together. One is the resistance of the channel, and the next one will be the resistance of $80. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Ordinal that I shared a few days ago on 2nd of Feb 2024 with my members. And so far, this move has produced almost 38% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Ordinal that I shared a few days ago on 2nd of Feb 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gardley pattern that Ordinal was completing. Not the Gardley pattern. This was the bad move that Ordinal was completing on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line dropped more down, completed the leg, and then we had a very, very nice reversal. And so far, it has pumped almost 38%. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal Gardley pattern. And by the way, I shared this move in the month of December, I think. Within a few moments, you will watch it. Yes, I shared in the month of Feb, by the way, on not here. This was a move that I shared in the month of November on 22nd, 27th of November, 2024, 2023. And this Gartley pattern was formed on a daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And if I play this chart, then you can see that this time it started a very massive reversal from this buying zone. And this was more than 370%. Very, very massive rally. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Ordinal, and this is first of all let me to show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that uh, for the past several days it was moving inside this symmetrical triangle. We got several bounces from the support here, several ejections by the resistance, and you can see that it was testing the resistance more than the support. That was a quite clear signal that eventually it can break out the resistance of the symmetrical triangle. Finally, we have broken out this resistance, and now it has formed this up channel. Now, if the price then breaks down the support of the channel, then target to the downside can be here at the bottom of the channel. That will be approximately at $52. And this uptrend line support of this symmetrical triangle will be also there as well. Therefore, after the breakdown, the pricing can test this support of this previous symmetrical triangle. And in case of breaking out this triangle, this channel, this up channel, the target to the upside can be, I'm expecting that it can break out somewhere from here, from $80, where we have a quite long-term resistance as well. Then it can also try to break out the next resistance of $92 as well. If we switch to the daily time frame chart, then you can see that this $92 was a point of rejection here in the month of January 2024. Therefore, we need to break it out in order to continue this rally to the upside. So far, you can see that it has rallied very well. If I place this measurement tool from this low to this high, then you can see that it has rallied almost 1400, more than 1458%. Therefore, in order to continue this rally, now we will need to break out this resistance of $92. Now, let me to show you the target for this huge breakout from this symmetrical triangle. And target for this symmetrical triangle breakout is here. That is, you can see showing beyond this resistance of $92. That will be approximately at $117. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.